So Paul Dirac says, it seems clear that the present quantum mechanics is not in its final form. And to that I can say, your statement can now rest because it's already here. Your final form that you're looking for is here. And what is that final form? What is quantum mechanics missing? It is extremely obvious. I don't even know how they miss it. The observer. You. Me. Whatever. Paul himself. Because quantum mechanics is not something you can infinitely study. It is a function. It is a sword. It's something to use. It is something that allows reality to be or not be. It's what allows certain outcomes to happen and other outcomes to not happen. So again, I'll explain it like this because I've already explained this a million times and this has easily been solved. The final form of quantum mechanics, what all these men are looking for, what they're all talking about, what they've all been searching for, which has supposedly been lost now in the modern days, is reality has infinite outcomes, or rather infinite possibilities, but only one collapses. Why is that? And it's extremely obvious, because it is bent by the densest observer. Einstein had relativity, Feynman saw infinite possibilities, Paul had whatever he had, and now I unify all of this here. Very simple. Reality is infinite until collapsed by the densest observer, meaning it is infinite until collapsed by the densest field, because reality is weighted. People are weighted, quote unquote people, but people are really probability fields. All fields are weighted, and the densest field always collapses reality, because that's how reality works. You can see in real time. A rich man versus a poor man, the rich man's always going to get his way. A president versus a citizen, the president's always going to get his way, unless the citizen has enough density around him. So, again, I'll say it again. It seems clear that the present quantum mechanics is not in its final form, because the final form is you. The final missing equation or variable is the observer itself, which is being. And so when you combine the being and you combine quantum mechanics, you get effectively probability fields, which is infinite possibilities until bent by the densest observer, meaning reality is weighted. People are not just people. People are probabilistic fields that are either dense or light. They bend reality or they don't. They're important or not. Hence why I say reality is or isn't, because only one happens. Only one now happens, like right now. There's only one now happening. Maybe one now that you're watching this, and so on. So again, it's been solved. If you understand what that means, then you need to move, because this is not just for play. This is not just for science. This means this is how you fix your reality, by realizing you're not separate from reality. You're not separate from the quantum mechanics, because it was always a field. It was always a function. It was always a sword. And you need to move with it. So that's all I'll say. So yeah.